Hey, Facebook Live. Larry Becker here, and I went live today because I'm testing out some software, but also I figured I might as well, if I'm on Facebook Live and if my software works, might as well share a little bit of information with you. So today, what I want to teach you or talk to you a little bit about is why, when you do Facebook Live videos from your iPhone, why does the audio sound so bad sometimes? And the answer is when you're using your iPhone, when you're just, here, let me get my iPhone. When you're just, hey, Stephanie, nice to see you here. When you're just holding your iPhone like this and you start live streaming, the thing is it has built-in microphones. But what it does is it tries to use the microphone that's facing the direction of the camera that you're using. So when you're doing selfie videos, everything sounds great. And then you go, oh, this is a really cool scene at the beach. I want to show you. And then you flip the camera around. And the problem is that it's trying to capture the sound at a distance. And so you're still narrating there and you're still talking and it doesn't sound good. So there is a cure. Hey, Renee, thanks for coming by. So let me get rid of that on-screen text. You don't need that anymore. Okay, so there's a cure. And the answer is on this iPhone, on the newer iPhones, they don't have an audio dongle. So you need to spend $9 at the Apple Store and get one of these. Okay, so the little dongle, there you go. Get the little dongle like that. Hey, Renee. All right. And Plummin, I hope I pronounced your name right. Good to see you in here. All right. So you plug that in. Okay. And then you just plug in a microphone. So this kind of microphone. Go ahead and clip that onto your shirt and then plug the microphone in here. And that's really it, because when you're filming, when you're doing video with your iPhone, again, it's going to try and pick up using the microphone that's facing the direction of the camera. So selfie video, great. Audio sounds fine. You're narrating, everything sounds good. But then you flip the camera around to show people the scene that you're in, and it starts trying to pick up the audio from a distance. But if you have this set up, let me plug it in and show you. If you have this set up and you've got a lapel mic, a lavalier mic or something like that clipped to your shirt, then whenever you're talking, it will use this mic only. It will not try to use the onboard microphones and try and capture the scene that you're filming. So that's really it. So today, I'm just trying to, definitely happy to share those tips, Clement. So today, I am testing out some new software. It's really cool software because it lets me do things like put some text on screen, or check this out. I can go and I can put people's comments on screen. How about that? Right? And so I can talk for a little bit about his comment and say, share. Yeah, definitely share. Thank you. And then I take the comment off screen. So I'm just getting used to the interface. But theoretically, I can now do Facebook Lives with some things like this, where I can comment and talk back and forth with the people that are in the live stream, and then put them and or their comments on screen. So let's see, Stephanie. Oh, let me do it. Okay, there we go. Great advice. I never knew that about the built-in mic. Yep, now you know. And it's on iPhones. I would imagine it's on some of the Android phones. I don't know if it's on all of them, but it's on some of them. And I would also say, thanks, Renee. Yes, that is cool. And I really like that I can put these people and I can put your comments on screen. This is kind of fun for me. So I'm just doing a silly little test Facebook Live this Saturday morning and trying out some new software. So this will be nice for me to be able to have more interaction with the Facebook Live. Now, since I have this software, I'm going to be able to, and this will be more experimenting, but I'm going to be able to have some guests on. So I'll actually be able to have people call me using Skype, and then we'll have side-by-side, picture-in-picture kind of things. I can share videos on screen and show you different things. I could show you my computer desktop if I wanted to, all from this interface. So very cool interface. Maybe I'll do a Facebook Live at some point about how I'm using my Canon 70D. I have an 80D and a 70D, but my 70D is my webcam now. What a great webcam. I mean, it's just way better than my little Logitech webcam. So I like that. And the Ecamm Live software lets me do that. So thank you guys for tuning in this morning. Thanks for sharing a little bit of Saturday morning time. Now I got to go do errands and stuff. But I hope you got a little bit out of today and learned a little bit about microphones and doing Facebook live stream videos and why the audio doesn't always sound as good as it could. All right, that's it for this morning. Thanks again very much for coming by. I'll talk to you later.